You're right.
Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you're returning, hey girl, hey, welcome back. Hey guys, so I know this vlog started off like montagey, you know. I'm just making up words at this one, but so the beginning of this vlog was not supposed to start off like that, y'all. Literally, but this will probably be my first video on my new camera. So I got a new camera. I have the Sony ZV-E10. I got it about, well, it's about 2 weeks now, honestly. Y'all, so the whole weekend of, like the whole week, I had got my camera. I had been vlogging. I did a weekend vlog, child. Come yesterday, I'm about to get ready to edit a vlog, and all of my footage is in slow-mo. So I had my settings in slow motion, so all of my video has no auto, and it's going slow as hell. So I was like, these are some good clips, and I didn't even realize that my camera was in slow-mo until yesterday, and I had been vlogging all yesterday as well, slow motion. So I was like, I'm not about to trash this footage. I'm about to use this footage, child, okay? If it gotta be in a montage, baby, that's what it's gotta be, okay? But I just wanted to come and let you guys know what was going on. So this is gonna be a weekly vlog on my new camera. I'm so excited, y'all. I still gotta kind of learn my settings and all of that good stuff, but so far so good. It's very like clear. I will say that it does show every scar, every color of your skin, honey. But it's cool. It just motivated me to get my skin together, okay? Okay. So, what y'all just saw me do a few minutes ago was wash my wig. Because, girl, I done took them braids down. I done took them braids down, baby. It was time. It was time. I took them braids down. So, tomorrow I'm going to put my wig on. It's an old wig I had ordered from Amazon, so I will put the information to that wig down below as well if you guys are interested. I love that wig, y'all. I'm gonna pop some pictures up here when last time I had the wig on. It was so cute. But anyways, so last time I had got it installed by somebody, but this time I'm doing it on my own, child. I didn't know how to do my own hair anyway, so yeah. If it look crusty and dusty, just know I'm in my learning phase, okay? But yeah, so I just got done washing the wig, cleaning it up, letting the air dry, so tomorrow I can put everything on. Babe and baby girl are out and about. They ran to Target, honey. Without me, yes, without me. They at Target, they at Hobby Lobby, and then he also has to stop by the beauty supply store to get me some stuff. Like I need some Eben holding spray, lace. I need a lace band. I need 2 Dark and Lovely perms because I need to perm my hair. Oh, your girl is not natural no more. No ma'am, I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it, y'all. I could not do it anymore. So I went ahead and permed my hair last year actually. I don't really wear my hair out like that anyway, but I just know I want to sew in soon. I'm probably gonna get a sew in for my birthday, and I want my natural hair to be able to lay down. So yeah, I'm pretty much tired of these lace wigs. I'm about to go back to bundles. So yeah, so you gotta pick me up a perm and a wig brush because I need one. And yeah, so I'm about to get ready to cook. Tonight we're having like hibachi or whatever, so I'm about to go ahead and fry my rice. I got my rice here. I had it in the refrigerator all day, so it's good and cold. Got my oil in my pan. I'm about to turn that one, and then I got my orange chicken in the air fryer. So I get my orange chicken from Sam's Club, y'all. It's so good, 10 out of 10. But hopefully this weekend, y'all, I can get to go to Atlanta to go to like Trader Joe's. I really want to try Trader Joe's out and stuff. So we'll see, because I want to take my daughter to the zoo in Atlanta. So, but we'll see, child. But yeah, enough of me talking, child. Let me go ahead and get the cooking before my man get home, because I know he hungry. And yeah. Today, purple or red? What you think? Let's do yellow. Yellow. Alright guys, so we're about to go ahead and perm my hair. I used the Dark and Lovely. I got 2 of these because, child, my hair is so thick. This, just one, would not do it. So I got 2. So yeah, let's go ahead and perm our hair so we can wash it. And yeah. Alright guys, so I'm about to leave this on for like another 10 minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead and wash it out, because y'all know these perms can be dangerous if you leave them in too long. Look at my hair, y'all. My hair is just so dead and damaged, but it's okay. Yeah. Just have a little cushion here for your arm. All over. Okay, y'all, and then on the side of the bag it has a pocket. Y'all can see. Look out! Bananas! Hair laid. Y'all, get my little hair. Got a little bun. Yeah, just swooping. I'll see y'all tomorrow. I'm about to take a shower and call it a night, girl. Alright guys, I hope it don't look like I got a helmet head on, but I try to do my hair the best I can. I am no hairstylist, honey. Okay, but I had to do something to it because it was, look at the mess. But anyways, we are about to go out in about, I don't know, y'all. Maybe it's the claw clip. Maybe it's just like not cute pull back. Let's take it out. Then I just feel like it's not dry enough. I mean, wet enough. I don't know. I just don't fucking like it. That's what it is. I just don't damn like it. Anyways, I'm not feeling so. Anyways, y'all, we are about to go get Starbucks and like just go out to Marshall's, Burlington, my fave stores, because I need to get out of the house. I'm in my feelings, all of that. It's just not giving what it's supposed to be gave. Put it up like this. Love a good claw clip moment. I just put it all up. Maybe, yeah, that looks better. A little bit. But anyways, we're about to go out. And let the water up here. Alright. We are about to go get Starbucks and we may go to Target, we may not, but I want to go to Marshall's and let's see. All right, yeah, but we are about to go to Starbucks, number one, get some coffee or a refresher. I'm not sure yet. And then we're gonna go to Marshall's and like what is it called? Burlington, and we may or may not go at Target. I'm not sure. Cause Target hasn't been giving the vibes lately. I don't know. Maybe because I damn near have everything that's in there. I don't know what it is. Yeah. But I do want to get me some Olipop, like probiotic sodas. I've been seeing a lot of flavors I want to try, like the Sprite dupe and Coca-Cola dupe. They say those are the best ones, so I want to see if I can find those. If not, then it's okay. But yeah, I just don't really, I really hate how my hair looks right now, and like I'm so irritated, and I really probably I'm probably not gonna even post this because it just looks terrible. It looks ridiculously terrible, and that's why I don't do my own hair, and that's why I get braids. That is why. This is exactly why. It's terrible. It's not giving one bit. I'm just having a fucking day. Alright, guys. Hi, can I have a grande caramel ribbon crunch with extra caramel?
I don't have any of the crunchy pieces. Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine.
Alright, you said extra caramel. What else for you?
Is there any way to add, do you have any cookie crumbles?
I do.
Can you add that instead?
Okay.
And that'll be all.
And then is it grande?
Yes.
Alright, it's going to be $6.49.
Alright guys, I got my drink. I got what was supposed to be a caramel ribbon crunch. They didn't have the caramel pieces, so I just got cookie crumbles instead because I did see this on TikTok and I did want to try it. So yeah. Y'all, my drink was only $3 today. Like what? So obviously on Wednesdays It's 50% off, but you gotta have the app. Like you gotta see an app. So I love that. I'm definitely gonna start coming on Wednesday, girl. Cause what? But you know, I'll pick you guys back up in Marshall's because I don't want my camera to fall. Well, it look like it ain't gonna fall. I mean, it's good. I would definitely prefer the cookie crumble. I mean, the crumbles that go on it, but it's still good. Yeah, I cannot wait to decorate for the holidays. Like, this is so cute. Y'all, they have these on sale for two for $4, but I'm not really a poppy fan. I don't really like the poppies. But even got cases. Okay, this is what I got, y'all. I got these kombuchas. I got a frother, some cereal, 2 lemon waters. They was on sale for 2 for $4. Got some caramel, some butter pecan syrup. I think I'm gonna go get the salted caramel syrup. I don't know. And I got onion. Here's some water. The best water there is. Literally. So why my lips look purple all the time? Alright, y'all. We are home. Quick little haul. I got a cereal because baby girl like to eat cereal in the morning. Also I got this frother. I've been needing a new one, so I got a new one. Baby, stop screaming. What you want? Okay, it may need batteries, so we're gonna figure it out, but yeah. Baby, stop yelling. I'm right here. What? What you want? What do you want? I got an onion because I was cooking dinner tonight, but babe said he doesn't want any food, so cook it tomorrow. I got some kombucha. I got this brand. This is the Synergy Raw Kombucha. This is Strawberry Serenity. And then I also got Guava Goddess. These were on sale for 2, buy one get one free. So also I got some butter pecan syrup for my coffee, and along with some more caramel or caramel or caramel, whatever y'all want to call it, drizzle. And these were on sale for $2, 2 for $9. And I love trying different waters, y'all. These were on sale for 2 for $4. So I got kiwi, star fruit, and I got peach raspberry. Y'all know I'm a sucker for anything peach. So. And then from Marshall, y'all already know I showed y'all these beautiful cups. I'm about to take these out and wash them. I can't wait to make coffee in the morning. They came with like little cleaners. Excuse me, baby. Thank you. So cute, right? Yes. About to wash these right now and use one. Yes, I am. And that is pretty much it, guys. I'm about to eat something real quick. Don't mind my baby hair. Ooh, we're gonna do it tomorrow. But yeah, I'm about to eat something real quick and call it a night. See you guys tomorrow.